Okay students, 17th sum is, if the kinetic energy of a free electron doubles, then its de Broglie wavelength changes by a factor. How much you have to find out? Now de Broglie wavelength in terms of momentum also we can write. Now in terms of kinetic energy we have to express. So the de Broglie wavelength lambda of a particle is equal to h divided by square root of 2 into mass of the particle m into the kinetic energy of the particle Ek. This is the expression we are supposed to write because it is a relationship between the de Broglie wavelength and the kinetic energy. Okay students, so first I will take lambda 1 equal to here square root of 2m into Ek1. Okay, and lambda 2 is now equal to lambda 2 for the same particle after doubling the kinetic energy. So this is equal to h divided by square root of 2 into m into E kinetic 2. Okay students, h is the same in both the cases. It's the Planck's constant. M also is the same here because the particle is the same. If the particle is the same particle, so mass is the same. So I will write therefore lambda 1 is proportional to 1 divided by square root of Ek1. Okay, and lambda 2 is proportional to 1 divided by square root of E kinetic 2. Because all other factors h by root 2m is a constant. Okay students, we are getting the expression like this. Also it is given that, okay, also E kinetic, okay, 2 is equal to 2 times E kinetic 1. Because they have mentioned if the kinetic energy of the free electron is doubled. So E kinetic 2 must be 2 times E kinetic 1. I am going to substitute this inside the second expression. Okay students? Before that I will take the ratio. So lambda 2 by lambda 1. So lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to, or you can write it straight away, you can write lambda 2 also. So lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 is equal to square root of E kinetic 1 divided by E kinetic 2. So this is E kinetic 1 divided by E kinetic 2. So this is now equal to square root of, what is the E kinetic 2 here? I am going to substitute, that is equal to 2 times E kinetic 1. So this is Ek1 divided by 2 into Ek1. So that Ek1 is getting cancelled. So this is equal to 1 by square root 2. Therefore lambda 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 times lambda 1. So this is how we have to solve this type of a question. So which of the 4 options, let us check now. C option is 1 by root 2. Therefore option C, okay, must be the correct option. Okay students? Okay, fine.